Okay, but you want...
Swing on starboard.
It's going out on
No,
starboard.
jib on the other side, on the north side.
Like that.
Go.
Okay.
The swing on starboard.
Swing on starboard. Jesus Christ.
Pull a couple of feet of spinnaker out of the bag for me. Okay.
Yep.
And now we're ready to hoist. You guys, oh, you're stuck there too. So you put another down.
Oh.
Something you gotta remember.
First.
Yeah.
You ready now?
Yeah, anytime you want. Nicely done. Now, secrets for the jib. We're going to jibe. I want you to take the jib and pull the clue across until it's even with the mast.
Okay.
Just let the leeward one go. Pull the windward one until it's just past the mast. And then cleat it. Right about there. Okay, cleat it. That's exactly where it'll need to be after the jibe. So you won't have to worry about it. Okay?
Yep.
Now get the starboard twing off. All right. And put that one in. And pull the boom through.
Ready?
Yep. And if I keep turning. Perfect.
Can you give me any slack on topping? Thank you. Made?
We're done. You want to drive?
No.
Take us home.
Take a beat, man. I'm gonna get a glass of water. Maybe. Oh, it's on. I'm gonna put some. I have water in mine. We can
Tons
run
of
it
it.
over your
Yeah,
belly.
whatever you want. Yeah.
I'll just. You checking the sugars in these? Oh yeah, you're good.
Just vitamin water. The big ones sparkle a little bit and they're also sugar-free,
Are they?
carb-free. Yeah.
Okay. Well, that was fun. Jesus, I
Till the
didn't.
end.
Jesus Christ. I just like, and the whole time I'm like, what am I doing wrong? Like, I did not have enough bandwidth.
And I
Knew
just
I was
said,
doing
I just said
something
let
wrong.
go. And that means just let go of whatever in your hand
But
and
I
we'd have
don't
been
think
fine.
I did.
You didn't let go.
I know.
Just let go. And you were like, let go of what? I said, let go.
Just let go.
Anything. Just let it go.
And I was like,
When in doubt, let it out.
my
Okay?
whole brain was like, I can't let go. Like, I don't understand. I just couldn't process that. Sorry, that was a mess.
Well, all right.